Yung dungog ra ba ako?
Yes, bro.
Haba ra, dili ra kayo.
Okay lang imong tingog, clear lang. Unsa taron, bro?
Ako ni karon ng tuang food nga pag on-page optimization. I will going to teach you how set up patungo optim. We have this new website called Bical. Wala pa siya mga plugin. Mas maayo siguro Bisaya.
Naka-record ni bro. Unsa man ni i-record ni man send sila or unsa man for training daw ni. Videos.
Ako lang pinakalit para madayo na.
Okay, pwede ra.
So, share screen. Adjust ako siya. Kita ba?
Wala pa. Loading pa. Okay, nana.
Camera. Really?
Oh, di mo duga. Naka-noise cancellation.
Tingog, Laura.
Oh, tinaw.
Sup everyone and welcome sa kalit nga tutorial how we can optimize on-page optimization for a new website our client. This sample is done by our website team. So this is how we start with the new website that's been forwarded to us. First, I'm going to remove unnecessary things here or make it more clean or like. And then we're going to add all the necessary tools that we are going to be needing as a fresh website. I'm going to have to remove. Let's don't touch other stuff first. We're going to add an SEO tool. And for this tutorial, we're going to use tool called Rank. So before we use this, let's create a new copy on how we can create a.
So let's go.
I have not set up the analytics of this website yet. So let's try to go with this onboarding. Let's go for advanced, of course. And this one, we will get this mode after we have the, what would you call that? May all-in-one ba to? Wala naman. Sige, start and import kahit wala. Just go with this onboarding. Now, this part is going to have the asking questions about what is our website about. So, is this a personal blog? For this site, it's going to be a small, so wala na bang other business website? Yeah, other business website. Organization, describe it more, what did you call that? More to what it does. Medical clinic, right?
Yeah. Medical clinic.
Confirm. This is what we are seeing on Google.
Dili ba siya alternative medicine, bro? Medical clinic. Sakop dira ang alternative medicine or
Try na to, bro.
ang keyword niya, no?
Makunang, bro.
Quantipops, bro, ganina.
Oh, manunod na to, karon.
Man to niya gisan, di ba? Putangan og nakaimo na makog banner for ko ano, ko high level. Kinintay ni sunday nato ni bro.
Dali, kung masabtanan mo ang kwan bitaw niya, bro.
Flow.
Oh, physician. Pwede ba siya physician?
Internist, rheumatologist, medical office,
Pindot siya sa
medical clinic. Zaman. Ang business type niya.
medical clinic na lang siya.
Wellness center ma siya. So medical clinic. Oh. Physician pod pwede ra.
Website type. Small business na lang. Or local business na naman. Logo for upload na naman.
Naka-record man bro, no? Ma-review ran ako. Sige. Nice.
Save and continue. So, kani wala pa nato na siya ng buhatan og analytics. So, kung nato siya buhatan using this plugin, wala siya create na option. Create og bago dire. Karon pa ako balik dire. Maybe I should create first. Or let's skip this step for now. Wala pa nato siya na we have not yet created the analytics for this. So, it's just letting you choose the configuration which are we going to submit to the sitemap. So I have the select the floating elements, the mentor header and footer, as we don't want it to be submitted to you. And save and continue. New index empty category, empty index fixation, page rank. Page updated. No follow external links. I suggest we leave it like this. We want to automatically have all external links no followed, but in our SOP, we don't put all external links to a no follow. So let's just leave this way. Save and continue. Your site is ready. Set up advanced option. So this is the time we can set up all the manager, what are the roles of the people we're going to be giving access to. So 404 redirect, we can set redirection to set a default values in case there are links that been broken, like this page is already changed and then we forgot to put a redirect. Temporary or permanent redirection. This 404 monitor can detect all 404s or broken links access by visitor. This is for schema markup. So as we are not yet in version, we can just choose one for each of the page types. So we just leave it like this. But you can change it, of course, if you are having a restaurant or a video postings like that. Just leave this that way. The cool thing about this rank math is it has a lot of feature we can turn on and off. The bigger the site or the more advanced setup we are going to be needing for the client. So pro version is good. Image SEO is also good to have as on because sometimes we forgot to put alt text on our images. So to set up this or finish the analytics or set up Google Tag Manager. This is more technical, but I want to help you with the on-page optimization. For other kind as well,
Access on Brickell? I don't have any access bro sa Brickell pa.
sa Aurora, did I give you?
Na ko
What
access na
username?
Charlie gapon to. Username is Charlie.
What did I give you? Administrator or editor?
Admin mo siguro to bro.
Going to give this to you in the chat. We are going to finish the setup first because we want analytics to be live or because new setups takes 48 hours to run. So I think it's better to let's set it up first. Are you okay with that? Yeah, as
Okay,
you're
try ko
recording.
access.
Yep.
Dology.com.
Appeal ka. Let's set this up to the rank math SEO analytics settings. General settings. Access na mo bro.
Yeah, na-access na ako ang Brickell. Press.
So we let the tool, it's called the analytics code for us. It's already green means we have successfully connected the Google Analytics. So this is so replacing the tool we have for web team. Redirection tools, it's DC, source, destination, redirection type. This is also where you can find your log as 404. So now we are going to SEO title and meta tags. This is the global meta, which will have the default settings if we forget to put the SEO title meta and description for the new page or post. And you can set or choose what you like, index, category, and tag of the capitalized title. So this is automatically capitalized all the first character. Just leave it that way. The other option here is like for special case. And then save changes, local SEO, So we can set this up later because our concern today is about how we can organize this page. So let's try to use the rank math itself when we are going to do on-page optimization. Let's go edit this page. So this is created by our website and development team or Miss Aya. Go to SEO and instead of manually prompting, leverage rank math features and make the checker green and focus keyword to the title so we can always see our focus keyword is the main. So this is the title. It says global, but we can have it the way we want it. So ito na to to extract the content first and feed it to
ChatGPT.
Have I teach you about this, right?
Not yet, bro.
Our focus keyword are rheumatology, functional medicine, Miami, or the brand itself. Let's try to use this content AI, but it doesn't have credits. We cannot use it. I think this is available only for Pro. I have not yet. How you can use this?
Unleash the power of AI. How about SEO articles is becoming content is time. 5,000 flashes. In a few seconds, your content is done. How fast is that? Improve it. This section not long enough? Write more.
Ooh,
Hit control and forward slash and go write more as well. This paragraph is too long in challenging. Summarize it. Is your paragraph too hard for your audience to get relatable? And fix the grammar. Chat with BrainBot to get answers if you are ever stuck, and you will get fast replies. Found a good prompt that can be used as a template? Save it so you can use it again. Check this out. Prompts written by experts, categorized based on your use case. So save your time hunting for a good prompt. Select these prompts or pages want to generate SEO titles and descriptions.
ano man? Apa ka diya?
Napa ko dre.
Oh, try good ni sa kwan, bro. Kanina lang ato ayahan na to ni explore. Basta kay nakita na to 9.99 by 100 ang ato ang score is good. Green siya. So we publish this or double check and proceed with other pages. Let's check. What's important is we have our H1, H2, proper placing, and importantly, we have our title and description with the robots tag on it. Diyan lang muna, basic lang muna yung ating pag-uusapan for in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we have meeting with,
Okay.
ito kulang pa din to. But what you need to do is, murag natudlo na ko ni bro.
Tatag
Copy first, then feed it to the
AI.
sent you.
Optimize using SEO guides.
Use rank math. As
Yep.
most importantly, in the first section, if you find it automatically
Kanina?
links to the homepage. This I will fix because it's not linked properly. Now we have the live pages, and I'll try to edit some page. Link then page URL sa page content.
Bro, pero unsay prompt?
Na, diba? Na to akong setup. Automatic na din na-generate ng title. You make sure.
Pero unsay prompt sa GPT ana?
Can you share your screen?
Pwede.
I'll give you a trick.
Kuan. Mani mo hang kuan. Nakita na ako mag-share.
Ayun natin man. Sample of page.
Mo
Ay.
niyo.
First, sitemap sa day.
Sitemap. Sige, so to sitemap. Kuan.
Hey bro, ibahog ni sa
Piling ko.
gilang. Ako lang i-sense mo ang call.
Copy ang content.
Mag-share ko balik screen. Makita mo din mo akong gibuhat.
Makita na ko yung mohang ko, no? Yung mong prompt. Let's start optimizing this homepage mo. Ako, stop akong sharing screen.
Let
Stop.
me improve. Okay, baka ma-short siya. Not necessarily, bro, that you will follow GPTs. So, yeah, let's start
Akong goal, bro, is optimize like what we did sa Aurora.
like that.
Okay.
I'm about to go to the next meeting, but I will looking forward to meeting with everyone soon. Just a recap, edit, then go to
Azure
SEO.
rank edit.
Yes. Wow, this can now change schema. Nice.
ASCII. Okay.
Astig. So like that, can copy, paste,
See the okay.
don't change anything in the permalinks. Good title and description is like having you compete with those common or not attracting. So you should be seen as magka-interest yung person or looking for our services. So I think this is good because rheumatologist in Miami, rheumatic. If you will read the description, so it quickly address the search intent of the like rheumatologist in Miami. Rheumatologist care they're searching for arthritis, lupus, gout, or autoimmune conditions. So this is really good description and it's also what do you call that? Nagkuhan siya ba?
Complement.
Compile? Ah? Nag
Complement. Ano siya man?
kuhan siya, nag-follow siya sa one
Nag-comply. Comply. Sa
comply.
requirement. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So if you look at the mobile, this is really good because it has the call to actions you need. I think that's good. And you can see that it's still 27 because you need to get this up by addressing these suggestions here. See that?
Money is the most universal.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I will publish this. You can continue, can explore and then ask question if you encounter problems. These are the internal linking. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Can you send this record links? Thank you.